Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the Digital Studios of Market Club, and the Dow is just a whisper away from 22,000. Who would have thought? And on the flip side, the US dollar continues to head lower, posting its fifth straight monthly loss in July. And that is partly due to a manufacturing report that showed that last month fell short of expectations, and data also showed that Americans' spending barely grew in June. So with that, we'll take a look at the markets, give you some key levels to watch this week. And we'll start with the S&P 500. And as you can see, the chart looks a little different. We'll do something a little different on the August 1st here. And we'll take a look at our monthly charts up here in Market Club that you can easily select. And I got it set to 2 years. It's S&P 500 still has a chart analysis score plus 85 with a green monthly, green weekly, and a red daily trade triangle. But as you can see here, we had 4 straight months of gains heading into August, which is pretty impressive for the S&P 500. It's kind of backed off its all-time high right now. A lot of that may be due to the expectation of Apple earnings coming after the market closes. But key level to watch for the S&P 500 would be 2,412.79. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Moving along to the Dow Jones, you can see they're currently trading at 21,972.45. It traded as high as 21,990 this morning. It's kind of backed off of that high a little bit. However, chart analysis score is still plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch would be 21,279.30. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Nasdaq currently trading at 6,358.26, up a little bit, almost 0.2% for the day today. As you can see, it's had this nice long run up since our monthly entry signal back in December. Chart analysis scores plus 85 with a green monthly and a green weekly trade trial, indicating that a long position is in order for the Nasdaq. Key level to watch would be 6,141.83. A move up below that level would issue a red weekly trade trial, indicating a move to a sidelines position. As you see, here's the dollar index with the 5 straight months of declines right there, heading to 5-month lows around 92.81. I believe it's actually about 14-month low for the dollar index. Currently, chart analysis score negative 100. Strong downtrend is in place for the dollar index. Key level to watch should be 95.96. A move above that level would issue a new green weekly trade triangle indicating an exit from a short position. I'm going to take a look at gold. Finished last month up almost 2% on the month. Currently trading at 1,276.10 with a chart analysis score plus 70 with a green weekly and a green daily trade triangle indicating a short-term long position for gold. However, we're still waiting for that monthly trade triangle to turn around for crude oil, which we're going to see above that 1,300 level. Key level to watch for for gold on the daily level will be 1,265.20. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle indicating an exit from a long position for gold. And we'll finish it up with crude oil here, currently trading at 48.84, retreating off a 2-month high of 50.43 today. Last month it finished up a little over 8% on the month, which is a huge gain for crude oil. However, chart analysis score is still negative 55. We'll actually change this to a daily chart today to show you. Right here, we got a new red daily trade triangle that triggered today at 48.86, a number I gave you at the end of the last week to keep an eye out for. Key level to watch will be 50.43, which would be today's high. A move above that tomorrow would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating entry back into a long position for crude oil. With that, every success. Have a great trading day, and we'll be back later this week.